trees is a French tradition where everything gets clipped, cut, tied back. It helps create a different kind of shade, a very sort of trained shade that you can be under.
When we pleach them, we're cutting probably 80% of the volume of the tree off, but it's what needs to be done in order for the tree 2 or 3 seasons down the road to fill into what we want it to be, which is basically a 4 to 6 foot wide hedge about 6 feet off the ground. So the 4 key steps to pleaching trees are choosing the tree in the nursery, building the frame, pruning the tree to the frame, and then maintaining the tree.
I've never seen peach trees in America. Any job I go to, it's like, what? Peach trees? You want to put up peach trees in the garden? What are you talking about? So John's got really good at it. I've got another guy I work with who's got good at it.
Not as good as me.
Not as good as John, of course.